Two giants in payments, one trusted by millions, the other powering the world's biggest brands. Which one really delivers? On the left, PayPal, recognized global payments for everyone. And on the right, Adyen, enterprise-grade unified commerce payments. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Check this out. We're lining up PayPal and Adyen across 6 big categories. We'll start with global reach, then dig into target users, payment methods, fees and pricing, security and compliance, and finally, merchant experience. It's kind of a wild ride, so stick with me. All right, first up, global reach. So, PayPal is huge. Seriously, it's available in over 200 countries and supports more than 25 currencies. Almost everybody recognizes that PayPal logo, right? It's super consumer-friendly, but honestly, if you want deep back-end control or operate a massive business, you might notice some limitations. Then we have Adyen. Now, this is the pros pro. Adyen is directly acquiring in over 30 markets and supports a wild 150-plus currencies. Also, the guts of their global infrastructure, it's almost tailor-made for mega enterprises. Oh, and here's something cool. Adyen's the engine for huge brands, even if you've never heard of them before. So, Adyen takes the win here for that true global enterprise reach. Next up, target users. PayPal? I mean, that's everyone from the solo freelancer hustling on Fiverr to the small business launching a shop overnight. Plug and play, super easy onboarding. Anyone can do it, seriously. Downside? If you're a giant online store, you might find it kinda restrictive. And then Adyen swings in. But let's be real, it's built kind of like a Formula One car. Best if you're a large merchant or a booming international brand. Downside here? It's got a higher barrier to entry, so you need some technical muscle to get rolling. Still, for most regular folks and new businesses, PayPal just makes more sense. PayPal's the clear pick for this one. Okay, payment methods. It's a biggie. PayPal gives you the usual. Major credit cards, PayPal Wallet, and even a pay in 4, buy now, pay later option. It gets the basics right, and the PayPal button is everywhere. But if you need tons of local payment options, it starts to feel a bit narrow. Now, Adyen is basically the payment method buffet. We're talking over 250 local and global methods, and they even switch up the checkout based on where your customer is shopping from, which is honestly kind of brilliant. Although, if you're just selling cupcakes at a local market, Adyen's probably bringing a bazooka to a water balloon fight. Still, for range, Adyen totally steals the show here. Oh, and here's something fun you might not know. Adyen actually powers the payments behind Uber, Spotify, and Microsoft. Most customers have no idea. It's like the payments ninja of the Fortune 500. Let's talk fees and pricing, which, let's be honest, everyone cares about. PayPal is super upfront, 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the US. And you always know what you're paying. But man, those fees add up fast if you're selling big volumes or go international. With Adyen, it's not really a pay-as-you-go thing. They customize pricing based on your volume, which is awesome if you're huge, since you can get lower rates. But you'll need to get a quote and sign up for a minimum monthly bill. Not the clearest system in the world. So honestly, this round totally depends on your business size and needs. There's no universal winner. Now, security and compliance. Here's the thing. Both are absolute tanks. PayPal's got all the buyer-seller protection stuff that gives people warm fuzzies. And they're legit with their built-in fraud tools. Not as much control if you're a massive merchant, though. Adyen, their security game is on another level. PCI DSS compliance, machine learning risk management, and crazy advanced options for controlling fraud. Setup is a bit more, let's say, advanced. But hey, either way, you're solid. Honestly, I call this one a tie. Last one, merchant experience. PayPal's the king of speed. Seriously, you can set up an account during your lunch break and start taking payments. But if you want to run a mega retail empire with one view across in-person and online, PayPal just isn't built for that. Adyen, on the other hand, has this unified dashboard that's kind of a dream if you're scaling fast. Risk, reporting, everything flows through one API, so it's perfect for serious players. Bit more work to start, but the payoff is huge at enterprise scale. So yeah, Adyen definitely wins here. So, quick visual here. On our category chart, Adyen pulls ahead for global reach, payment methods, and enterprise backend experience, while PayPal is still the go-to for mainstream access and ease of use for regular folks. So, bottom line, if you're an SMB, freelancer, or just want something crazy easy and globally trusted, PayPal is pretty unbeatable. But if your business is scaling up and you need maximum flexibility, a crazy amount of payment methods, and true global infrastructure, Adyen is the ace in your sleeve. Did this comparison help untangle the PayPal versus Adyen battle for you? Drop a comment, hit follow, and let us know what head-to-head you want to see next. And keep an eye out. We'll keep the latest payment wars coming your way.